Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're hello, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this yam porridge in about 20 to 25 minutes. So if you are interested to know how I achieve it this way, please continue watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
The last time I break down, holding on to my breath, no sound escapes, walking on a straight line through the madness.
So first thing I did was to add palm oil, and after that I just added sliced onion and stir a little bit, and I'll just allow for a few minutes. So here I'm just adding crayfish with blended scotch bonnet, and after that I'm just going to add blended ginger and garlic. So the next thing I'm going to add will be red bell pepper, and I've already blended it as well. I'm going to stir it now and allow it to cook. So here I'm just going to add Maggi, 2 Maggi cubes. So after that I'm just going to add salt and aromat, and I'll just stir. So here I've already washed and cut the yam, and I'm going to pour the sauce into the yam, just a good amount but not all of them. So after that I'm just going to add water.
Staring into the sun, which tries to blind our eyes. Oh, we're dancing forever under the beautiful skies.
Somewhere over the ocean, a spark just to ignite. I'm stuck in my hometown, waiting for your reply.
All I see is the darkness. There's no sound, only silence.
You could change everything tonight. This is your chance to do something right.
To the memories and photos that remain, still lost in oblivion, no one to show the way.
Oh, climbing a mountain to reach my highest goals. You'll never understand how I thought you were the one.
Darkness, there's no sound, only silence.